What a one goodies? Yeah man, run come here and let's make some Jamaican pepper pickle. Okay goodies, so I'm just gonna make some Jamaican pepper pickle, and this pickle can be used on anything that you're eating, but we especially love to put it on escovitch fish. So in here I have some peppers already cut up, and I'm soaking the peppers from overnight in some white vinegar, and I have some pimento seeds. Here I have some onions. I'm gonna cut up my onions. I have carrots, bell peppers of all color, just to make the pickle nice and colorful, and I have some garlic. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cut these and then we're gonna get right into it. Alright goodies, so I'm done cut up. As you can see, everything nicely cut, the onions and everything. So what I'm going to do now goodies, I'm gonna transfer this to a pot, and I'm going to add some more vinegar, and I'm going to boil these for just about 2 minutes. You don't want to boil them too long, just 2 minutes. I'm going to add a tablespoon of sugar, and that's all we're going to do for now, so stay tuned. So goodies, for the first minute we're only going to do the carrots and the peppers and the garlic with the pimento seed. See, I've added some more vinegar, and I added the 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. So now I'm just gonna put this on the stove to boil for 1 minute, and then we're gonna add our bell peppers and our onions for the other minute. So we're doing this for 2 minutes in total. Okay? Alright goodies. Alright goodies, so 1 minute. So we're gonna add the bell peppers now and the onions, and then we're going to leave it for 1 more minute, and then we're going to turn off the heat, leave it covered and let it cool down. So here it is goodies, you can see looking good already. Yeah man, just leave this for 1 minute to boil, and then we're going to turn off the heat. Of course I have some fish over here frying. So you don't know how things set. Leave it to cool down, and then we're gonna bottle it. Okay. Alright goodies, so see there, here's the pickle. It is finished. So you know, you can just design it, try to place the peppers and the onions where you want to place it. If it don't really matter about the design, then that's fine, but you know, a little presentation sometimes goes a long way. Let me know what you think about this recipe goodie. Let me know if you will be trying the pickle this way. Yeah man. Alright, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscription button and turn on your post notification bell. Until next time my friends, what good.